In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up storage on Android. By the end, you'll know exactly where your space is going and how to safely free some of it up, so your phone feels faster and less cluttered. First, unlock your Android phone and go to the Settings app. This is usually the little gear icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you're in Settings, scroll until you find the option labeled Storage. Depending on your device, it might also say something like Device Care or Device Maintenance. Tap on that. On the storage screen, your phone will usually show you a breakdown of what's using space. Things like apps, photos and videos, audio, and system files. Take a second to look at that overview. This gives you a clear picture of where most of your storage is going, and it helps you decide what to clean up first. Many Android phones have a built-in storage cleaner or smart cleanup suggestion right on this page. Look for buttons such as Free Up Space, Clean Now, or Manage Storage. When you tap this, your phone will scan for temporary files, cached data, or junk that's safe to remove. Review the items it suggests deleting. These are usually things like thumbnails, app cache, and leftover files from uninstalled apps. Confirm the cleanup to remove them. Next, go back to the main storage screen and tap on Apps. Here, you'll see a list of all your installed apps along with how much space each one uses. Sort them by size if your phone allows it, so the biggest apps appear at the top. Tap on any app you don't really use anymore. You'll see options like Uninstall and Clear Cache. If you don't need the app at all, uninstalling it frees up the most space. If you still use it, but it's taking a lot of space, you can tap Clear Cache to remove temporary files without losing your personal data or login. Photos and videos are often some of the biggest space hogs. Go back to Storage and tap on Photos and Videos, or simply open your Gallery or Photos app. Delete any duplicates, screenshots you no longer need, or old clips you don't care about. For important memories, consider backing them up to a cloud service or an external drive before deleting them from your device. Finally, after you've cleaned cache, removed unused apps, and managed your media, return to the storage screen to see how much space you've reclaimed. Try to keep a healthy buffer of free storage so your phone can run smoothly, and repeat this cleanup process every few weeks to stay on top of things.